So after in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how you'll be able to send out your NIR from any exchange of your choice into your mobile app so that you could be able to stake. So if you have watched one of my video, you actually see that I use Bigate, and that was the one I used to transfer to some of my members in the community who actually needs NIR. So in this is my MEXC exchange currently now. This is MEXC exchange, as you can see. So I'll be sending. I also bought some NIR for some of my community member, and the last person is the one I'll be sending the NIR to, and I'll be using it to do the tutorial. So you come to this particular place now. I've logged in, and I'll also be drawing my MEXC exchange referral link in case you want to use MEXC exchange so that you can use to join. So the major reason why I'm using MEXC now is that sending NIR from MEXC exchange, buying from MEXC and sending NIR out is actually cheap than Bybit, because Bybit, the minimum amount of NIR you can actually send out is 3.2. But in this particular one, I can actually send anything lower amount. The lowest I can send out is around 0.01, which is very cool, even though if you have somebody. So this one NIR actually belongs to one of my community members. So I'll tap on this particular NIR. Then what I'll do next is to tap on withdraw. I'll tap on withdraw. Then I'll tap on this one that says on chain. If you want to join my WhatsApp community to buy NIR, I've said it. I'll drop you the link in the description of this particular video so that you could join. And don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. I'm also verified on my MEXC. I've done the verification, and also I'll be creating a how to buy USDT via P2P on MEXC2 in future videos. So the member has actually sent me his NIR wallet, receiver's wallet. So this is it. I've tapped on it. So it has to do with 4 NIR. Yes. So let me say I want it to be complete. So I'm adding these extra ones to it so that NIR can actually be complete, because I have to pay some transaction fee, as you can see. So I'll tap on confirm. So this is it now. It's telling me to look at the address. So I'll still be tapping on confirm withdrawal. So I'll be getting my email notification from my email and from my Google Authenticator. So let me tap on the one of Google Authenticator. I've actually done the two, copying from my MEXC exchange and from my email. I think Google Authenticator, the code has actually changed. Let me put in the next one. So I've gotten the new code. So let me tap on it. So you see now, you say withdrawal submitted now. You could see it is now going for NIR, which is this, and once you see it, it will actually get. So this is how to be able to send your from any exchange down to your NIR mobile app, and it will arrive ASAP. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on bell notification so that I get notified anytime I upload another new video. Thank you, and bye bye for now.